Traditional sports such as football, basketball have always been considered sports. Then suddenly, a new sport. Hey look, it has sports in the name.
Double hockey sticks is this?
They're actually giving college scholarships for
Video
gaming.
You're kidding.
And I'm laughing because I can't think of anything less interesting, but
They claimed that it was that easy. I was going to put it in the test. Thus, my mission began. Get into a certain rank in the game League of Legends. In short, you play as a chosen character, while you work with 4 other players to destroy an object in the game called the Nexus. You destroy towers, kill enemy characters, and gain gold to become more powerful by buying items. And just like traditional sports, there are ranks that determine your skill or your teams, and for this game, I wanted to get into the rank Platinum. Firstly, I'm going to need someone to teach me. Instead of shadowing a professional, I got a friend of mine, Lewis. He isn't exactly a professional yet. However, he knew what to do to become one, and I chose him because he, as well as me, had school to deal with, and I wanted to see how he dealt with it.
So we're here in I1, an internet cafe, where I'm gonna meet someone who's gonna teach me how to play video games professionally.
Hey, good seeing you.
So, how are you, Lewis? How are you?
I'm doing good, thank you. How are you?
I'm doing fine. So, tell me, how can I make a professional in this game?
Which game are we talking about? Depends what you're trying to do.
League of Legends.
League, okay, well, well, how about we go inside, right? We'll come inside. So, this is I1, right? It is a very big internet cafe.
Yeah.
They've got many branches all across Hong Kong.
Yeah.
You can see lots of people and lots of sound is in this area.
Yeah.
Cheering or just swearing or just having a good time.
Yeah.
And it's really cheap as well. It's 11 Hong Kong dollars for an hour.
Yeah.
A lot of money.
Okay. So, how often do you come here?
When I'm in Hong Kong, I usually try and come here at least 4 times a week, maybe. For maybe about 3 or 4 hours. Like, maybe I'll grab some takeaway lunch as well while I'm here.
Yeah. How about the UK?
In the UK, there are not a lot of internet cafes where I am, actually, unfortunately. There's only 2 internet cafes, and they're not meant for gaming like I1 like this is. So if I wanted to go somewhere very popular, it would have to be in London, because they have a lot of internet cafes that are meant for gaming.
So how do you train in the UK?
In the UK, the internet's actually quite good at my university halls, so I usually just train in there, and I'm just on a Discord call with the people out there. Or since I'm part of the Esports and Video Game Society, we have like a weekly meeting, like Tuesday afternoons, right? So Tuesday nights, I should say. And we play there sometimes. Like it'll be either fighting games, or we'll actually be like talking about strategies.
Okay. So what do you play the most?
It depends of what I'm in the mood for. What I'm trying to get better at Overwatch, League, and Rainbow Six Siege. So we can go over those. But single player, it's mostly very chill games like Stardew Valley and maybe Pokemon Go on my phone.
Okay.
Wherever I am, I'm going to be gaming.
So let's be honest here. What makes the most money out of those 3 games you mentioned?
I'd have to say League of Legends.
League of Legends.
But actually, Dota 2 is not what I mentioned, but it's one. I think last year the prize pool was $25 million US.
25 million US dollars.
25 million US dollars.
The 2018 Premier League club's prize pool was £2.42 billion. The 2018 Dota 2 international prize pool is $25 million US. There's a big difference, but with that amount of money, who's complaining?
Do you think I can become like you?
Of course, as long as you put in the time, the effort, and the devotion, as well as the passion towards this,
You see,
you'll be great at that.
I've played a bit of League before,
Well, that's great to hear.
but I'm pretty sure not as much as you. I want to just show. Can I really compare?
Yeah, sure. Just keep in mind, this is a very low elo smurf I'm using right now.
Okay, so here's me. This is my account.
Not bad, actually, but you could could do with a bit more, since, you haven't played for a very long time, I assume. Low level, not even ranked, but good mastery score. Low honor level. Not Yeah, definitely room to improve. You can get a lot better.
So, can you help me improve?
Yeah, of course. We can hop into a game right now together, or just solo. I can try and coach you.
Because of family issues, so I'm gonna need a temporary coach, and luckily I found one. So, what
What's your name?
My name's Cardis.
Yeah, and so why do you play League?
Because of my friends, they forced me to play League. So I played League.
How long have you played it for?
I've played it for 3 years. Yeah.
And do you want to get? Are you aiming to be professional in it?
No, I'm just playing it for fun with my friends.
Okay, so is there any reason why you want to play League, or is it just because of friends?
Well, I saw like a really pro player on YouTube called Ficker, and he's really good, and I admire him. So I hope I can play like as good as he is.
Finally, do you have any tips you can tell me?
I play it mostly as a support. A tip is to like ward everywhere, all over the map, and like you need a lot of CP abilities.
Nice one! Yes!
So what I learned so far is that it takes a lot of passion and determination to play to continue getting good in this game. I've been playing League for some time now, before all this coaching, and I never took it professionally. I just played for fun with friends. But in order to play this professionally, you need a lot of time and effort to do this. And if you want to get better, there are many ways to get better, but they're very time consuming, such as watching pro players, watching live streams, such like that. And someone like my coach Lewis, who has the effort to do that, I'm actually really surprised he can go through that, because after this week I'm definitely not going back. So basically, right now, someone and I won. I've asked them to be against me because I want to see if I can be good against them. The thing is, he has way more experience than I do, so it's gonna be a real challenge for me. And I asked him if I can do 1 against 3, and right now it's the first game, so you can see how can that play out. So I lost. So Lewis's teachings didn't help me that much, but he has over 4 years of experience. I have 1 week, of professional. So yeah.